So let's easily upload your NFTs in bulk. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you another tutorial in which we'll show you how to bulk upload your NFTs at once easily to Opensea. So if you know anything about NFTs, of course you will know Opensea is a marketplace platform in which you can upload, buy and sell and browse NFTs that are available on the marketplace. Opensea is the website that we're on just now. So on Opensea you can upload each NFT individually. In the top right corner there's the option just to create, and you can individually upload each NFT that you have by clicking this option here and filling all the information below it. However, that will take some time doing it individually. In the interest of saving some time, uploading it in bulk with one click would be fantastic. So today we'll be showing you how to do that. If you do have a big collection, for example, and there's hundreds if not thousands, that is very time consuming. If you are busy and you're wanting to make money, time is of the essence and time is valuable. Particularly if you have an NFT collection that you have launched or you're about to launch, in which you have a specific time and you've told people in your following that you have a time to upload it. So this would be a helpful tip and tutorial for you so that you can manage your time and make sure that you upload a big collection at once. So to do that guys, we'll be shifting away from Opensea and using another website to help us and aid us to upload your NFTs in bulk quickly and easily. The website we'll be using today is called niftymints.art. So if you Google search Nifty Mints or just go into niftymints.art at the top corner here, you'll have this website here. Now what it's designed to do, as it says here, it says a better way to create NFTs. Bulk minting, no more captcha, full metadata support, which is very important. You have your full ownership, it's eco-friendly. As you can see here, it's blazing fast and OpenSea compatible alongside Variable as well. It says here about how it works, but we'll be showing you how to do that specifically on the tutorial today. To start off, you want to make a new account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in with Google. Once you've logged in, it will ask you to create a collection. So I'm going to call these quirky ghosts. It says here, drop image and metadata files for upload, or click here to select. So here we have a selection of about 100 NFTs that I've created. These are individual ghosts that all have slightly different characters with them. If you want to know how I've made these NFTs, you can click on the video on the top right corner. But now what we want to do is upload these individual NFTs, and all we have to do is put the files into the option here. So I won't do them all for the sake of the video, but I'll highlight a bunch of them. So here we go. I've clicked 5 to upload. As see, you can do as many as little as you want. All I need to do now is click publish. Now before that, you can add some information here. You can write a description here. Spooky ghost 100, or small ghost. And you can of course add multimedia files and most importantly your metadata file. So we click on that and individually and getting it all uploaded, we'll have it all ready to publish. Now it's very much just a case of publishing. Now straight away it says you need to set up your wallet address to continue, and don't have a wallet, you can try Rainbow. So of course we want to make sure that we have our wallet address ready. So of course to add your wallet, all you need to do is click onto your MetaMask or equivalent add-on onto Chrome, for example, and copy through your account number. Now I've copied that, I can paste it, and now click save. And here we go, it's already popped up, and it says now publishing 5 NFTs to Quirky Ghosts. We have a current balance of 30 credits with this website, and we're spending 5 here. We click confirm, we'll now know it's initializing and there's a percentage sign here. After a couple minutes, all your NFTs will be uploaded onto OpenSea, and we'll check that out shortly. And as quick as a minute, all of my NFTs are now spinning, they're loading, and they're being published as we speak onto OpenSea. It says at the top, your NFTs are being minted on the blockchain. This will take a few minutes of course. Now, after another minute, it now says your NFTs have been published. click on an item to view details. So we can click here, and already it says that it's ready. Spooky Ghost 1 in 100, and now I can click show on Opensea. So I click this, it's here, it's uploaded, and we have it already in our collection, Quirky Ghosts. Once I've clicked on show on Opensea, we have this baseline page here. It says here it's owned by you, which collection it's under, and of course an image here. There's a few additional details here about Quirky Ghosts, for example, which you can add in yourself, or additional details here, for example what blockchain it's under. If we go to the top right corner, we can of course even click sell. At this point we can state how much you want to put it for. So we have fixed price, so you can do a timed auction. For example, if we want to sell this for 0.01%, 0.01 Ethereum, and put this on a duration for 1 month. And when you're ready, you can click complete listing. If we go back to Nifty Mints and click the home page, we now can see our collection here. You can obviously add more if you wish to do so. And onto our Opensea account again. If we go back to our profile and go down to my collections, you can see now Quirky Ghosts is ready here. Now it does take a couple minutes for it to fully load, so this might still be blank and say no items to display at this stage. We can see over it's loading something over here in the top corner, so it does take a couple minutes for it to all set through and load, but you can leave this and load this preemptively before your upload time that you've scheduled with your following. Nifty Mints is an amazing website to use to help upload and in bulk all your NFT collection. You can see here I've used 25 of my 25 credits. Nifty Mints does charge you to get some more credits. You get 30 for free. So for the first 30 it's all free of charge, but if you want to use and upload more than 30 you will have to purchase credits. So for example here, if you wanted to do 100, it works out to be approximately 20 cents per token, so that works out to be $20, which in my opinion is well worth it for your time and effort to make sure everything is done safely, quickly and easily. You can do this of course by paying with crypto or paying with a credit debit card. And once you've done that guys, that is you already. That's all uploaded and all your NFTs ready to be bulk uploaded quickly and effectively. If you found this video being useful for you, and you've got any comments or recommendations, or you want some new videos about certain topics, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.